Hi friends, welcome back to my channel again. This video I am going to show you turn your Samsung Galaxy phone into a roller. You can follow this guide easily, use roller built-in feature. Let's jump right in. First thing first, open main settings on your phone. After this page is open, scroll down a little, open the display option. Once you are in display, scroll down again, you can see the edge panels option. Tap to open it. Right now this option is turned off. Simply turn it on first. After it's enabled, you can open panels menu. Here you can see various options. Make sure to this toolbar is selected. Once you activate the toolbar, return to your home screen. Swipe the edge panel of your phone. After you open edge panel, simply swipe it again. Here you can go to the tools section. Then tap on the three dots more button top right corner. Select roller. And right now your phone roller mode is activated. You can easily use them. To do it, simply rotate your phone. Then for example my Boya microphone, then I'm easily testing. That's it how you can easily done. Thanks for watching. Like this video, share it with your friend. Goodbye guys.